Did you just get married and want to know how to bring your spouse to the United States? My name is Maleeha Haq, and I'm an immigration lawyer practicing in Newark, California. And this is a question that we get all the time. How do I bring my husband or my wife so we can finally be together in the United States? So I thought I'd do a quick video just to tell you the overall process of how to bring them to the US so you can build your life together here. So the first step is to file what's called an I-130 petition with the USCIS. And with that petition, you are asking the government to recognize that your relationship with your spouse is a genuine one, that you are in a real relationship and you are not just trying to get somebody a green card. And in order to prove that, you have to basically provide evidence. So evidence can be pictures of you and your wife or your husband at your wedding, pictures with your family, your friends. You can also present evidence of documents that show that you are starting to build your life together, like a joint bank account or joint insurance, things like that. You can also provide letters from your friends, your family, showing that this is a real relationship. So once you do that filing, you file that petition, and once immigration recognizes that this is a real relationship, they will approve that petition and then send it to what's called a National Visa Center, which is a central location in New Hampshire here in the US. And they gather all of these petitions that are approved and start the visa processing for the spouse to come to the US. And at that point, they will ask you to submit your financial documents. They want to make sure that you are financially able to bring somebody to the United States. So they'll ask for your tax returns, they'll ask for your pay stubs, your W-2s, to make sure that your spouse is not going to be supported by the US government, but can be supported by you or somebody else who you pick as a joint sponsor. Once the National Visa Center is satisfied with that, they will ask you to complete your spouse's visa application online. And once that is completed, they will send the entire file to the embassy in your spouse's country for an interview to be scheduled. Now, that can take several months. It depends on the conditions in that particular country and that particular embassy, how long that process will take for them to be scheduled for an interview. At the interview, your spouse will be asked questions about your relationship with them. They'll be asked about their plans when they go to the US. They will be asked to make sure they don't have a criminal background and any other complications. And they will finally, if the embassy is satisfied with that, they will get their visa printed pretty quickly, usually within a few days or maybe a few weeks. And once the visa is printed in their passport, your spouse can enter the US, and following the entry, they get their green card in the mail once you pay a small fee to USCIS for the green card to be printed. So that's just a quick version of everything that happens. There can be complications along the way, but if you need help navigating this whole system, of course, you can always feel free to give us a call. We've helped many, many people bring their spouses and build a life together in the US, so we'd be happy to do that for you as well. So take care, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye.